A residual is the difference between an observed value of response variable and what? The predicted value. And that is to say residual is observed y minus predicted y, or you say y minus y hat. We call this is prediction error. Say this is the data set given, okay? X column, Y column, okay? And from what we did before, we find average X is 4, average Y is 5, standard deviation is 2, standard deviation Y is 2, and the correlation coefficient is 0.55. This one you can find very easily, okay? Based on these 5 numbers, you can find what? Regression slope is 0.55. Because standard deviation X equal to standard deviation Y, therefore correlation coefficient equal to regression slope, okay? And y-intercept, you use the formula, y bar minus what? Bx bar. Y bar, average y is 5, minus b is what? 0.55, okay? Times x bar is what? 4. Average x is what? 4, okay? What do you get? You get 2.8. That is to say, for this data set, the regression line is y hat equal to 2.8, this is y-intercept, plus 0.55x. This is our best prediction line based on these square criteria. Now, look at the table here. How we get 3.35 is obtained by plugging what? X equal to 1. Y hat, evaluate when x equal to 1. That is 2.5 plus 0.55 times what? Times x is 1. And that number is 3.35. So this number is 3.35. So what is the prediction error? Error is what? What you observe. What you observe is 5, okay? Minus what you predicted. You predicted 3.35. And the difference is 1.65. That's why you find prediction error here is what? 1.65. Okay? Now, prediction error squared. 1.65 squared, what do you get? You get 2.7225. And that is this number here. Is that clear? Are you with me? So if you follow the same procedure, you can find out the prediction error for what? You can find this is E1, you find E2, you find E3, you find E4, you find E5, you find E6. The funny thing is, when you add those numbers up, what do you find? You find sum of prediction error equal to what? 0. Let's check. 1.65 minus 2.45. Now look at minus 2.45 minus 1.55. It's minus 4. Minus 4, then add 1.35 plus 1.65 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 minus 4 is what? Is 0. Do you see that? So overall prediction error is 0. And what is prediction error squared? You square everybody. And added up is what? 13.95. Okay? Now, this number is very important in the sense that this is a proof why least square regression line is the best prediction line. Because it has what? The smallest overall prediction error square. And that number in this data set is 13.95. Okay?